Hello everyone and welcome to today's video on this channel. If you are new, hi, I'm Divya. Now since I created this thick kajal makeup look today, so I just thought of making a video of helping you out of how you can make your kajal long lasting and smudge proof. Alright, so let's dive in to learn how you can make your kajal long lasting.
Apply your kajal as you would normally do on your waterline and lash line, just like I did. Now just take any black eyeshadow of your choice, or even dark brown would work. Take it on a fine brush, tap off the excess, and then pat it gently wherever you have applied your kajal. The powder will absorb all the oiliness and greasiness from your kohl pencil and make it last long in this greasy season.
One bonus tip which I want to share with you is always prep your eyelids, and if you do not have a compact powder or anything, just prep your eyelids with talcum powder. Apply it all over your eyelids and then dust it off. You don't need to keep it right there or just behave like a ghost. Just apply it and dust it off. You can also do this thing below your waterline, not in your waterline. You should never put your talcum powder in your waterline. Just do it below your waterline and then apply your kajal. This will prevent your eyelids and your waterline from getting oily, and also it will prevent your kajal from melting. So yes, this was it that I wanted to share with you all, and also I will be bringing you a part 2 of this video in which I will make you learn some very different things of how you can make your kajal long lasting. You will not have to buy a black eyeshadow, and that's my promise. So if you have a black eyeshadow, go ahead, and if you want to buy a black eyeshadow and you just don't use a lot of eyeshadow palette, then go ahead and buy one singleton eyeshadow. They are available in that circle packaging. You don't need to buy a complete eyeshadow palette. Obviously, it's your money, spend wisely. You don't need to buy everything that a beauty blogger suggests to you. So yes, that's it that I wanted to share with you all for this video. I hope that you like this one. Subscribe to my channel and like this video. And also press that bell icon that comes after that you subscribe, so that you will be notified when I will be uploading a part 2 of it. Alright. Take care, bye bye, and stay happy and stay blessed. I'll see you in my next one. Take care.